Let's cook this delicious bean stew together. For this recipe, I'm making use of honey beans, and that's because these beans taste just like honey. It's very delicious. Next, I have my smoked crayfish, otherwise known as Panla, and then my crayfish, and also my red onions. Kindly note that if you want a very delicious beans, use a lot of onions. Next is my pepper mix, which consists of my tomatoes, scotch bonnet peppers, and my tatashe for my peppered fish sauce. Most of the beans we buy from the supermarket or from the stores are usually preserved with pesticide and a lot of chemicals, and you want to ensure you're not eating these chemicals, and that's why we are going through this process. In a hot pot of water, I just wash my beans and then put it in to boil for just 5 minutes before discarding the water and cooking them in fresh water. Have you liked this video? Kindly like my videos and let me know in the comment section. Do you used to be like me that doesn't like beans? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this recipe with your family and friends, and become part of this family. The merrier. The more red onions, the merrier. Yes. Please make sure you use a lot of red onions. Add the red onions at this particular time because it helps the beans get softer in a short while, and it also improves the taste and overall flavor. And I'm just making a quick sauce for my my smoked Panla fish, and that's because a combination of this Panla and my stewed beans and fried plantain would definitely take you to your in-laws house this Christmas. Yes, so I'm just using the combination of bleached palm oil and the regular palm oil. Fried my Panla fish before adding my onions and my tomato and pepper mix. Fry this to perfection, and of course you know how it goes. This was good. To my beans, I just added some red scotch bonnet peppers, more onions, yes, my crayfish and shrimp powder, going in also with my salt and seasoning cubes. I want to also add at this point that if you have any leftover beef, leftover palmoil, leftover gizzard, this is the time to add them and allow this cook for a while before adding my palm oil. Guys, this palm oil was given to me by my mom. This is the original village palm oil. The taste, the flavor, the aroma is different. Guys, I stirred this to perfection, and what do you have here? Delicious beans stew. Back to my pepper mix, I added some more crayfish for more flavors, just very little seasoning cubes, a little salt and taste before adding my already fried Panla fish. Guys, by this particular time, my neighbors were asking me, "What are you cooking?" Yes, we are cooking beans stew. Guys, I then served this with my fried plantain, my delicious beans, with this pepper mix. Guys, in fact, it is too good. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you will be trying this recipe in the comment section. Bye, guys.